in this integration, since the denominator is in the under root of 8 plus 3x minus x square, and the polynomial in the denominator in the under root is order of 2, and which is also with negative sign. So we should get a clue that in this question we need to use this formula of integration, which states a square minus x square equals to sine inverse of x by a. So since the order of polynomial is 2 and with negative sign, so first I need to change it in the perfect square. Since 3 plus 3x is also there, so I need to change the perfect square of variable. So let's start. It will be, let's write it as 8 minus of x square. Since it is plus 3, so I need to write it as minus of 3x, so that minus into minus will become plus, so x square plus 3x. Now since the coefficient of x is minus 3, so we should get a clue that we need to make the perfect square of x minus 3 by 2. Since 2ax equals to 3x, so a will be 3 by 2. So we need to make the perfect square of x minus 3 by 2. So to make the x minus 3 by 2 perfect square, I have to add 9 by 4 in this term. So here I add 9 by 4. So if I add 9 by 4 here, then in the expression I added minus 9 by 4. So I have to add plus 9 by 4 to intact the expression. So we will get from here, we will get dx by this, and this will get added. So 8 plus 9 by 4 will give us 41 by 4, and minus it will be x minus 3 by 2 square. So now I can use the substitution method here. If I substitute x minus 3 by 2 equals to t, then I will get dx equals to dt. Putting in the question, we will get integration dx by 41 by 4. I can write it as root 41 by 2 square minus, so that I can compare with it with our formula dt by integration root 41 by 2 square minus it will be t square. Now I can compare with our formula and use the formula in the question, which is under root dx by root of a square minus x square equals to sine inverse x by a. So it will be sine inverse of t by a, which is root 41 by 2. So 2 will be in the numerator, so plus c. Since value of t is x minus 3 by 2, putting the value of x minus 3 by 2, I will get sine I equals to sine inverse 2x minus 3 by root 41. So this will be our final answer.